Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, saya Dani Ahmad Nurul Rizky dengan NIM 21320055. Izin mengumpulkan tugas bahasa Inggris. Education in Indonesia. Indonesia is a beautiful island country that sits between the Pacific Ocean and the Indian Ocean. Lying along the equator, the country experiences no extreme off-season in both winters and summers, and is wetter between October and April, or dry between May and September. Indonesia comprises of no territory in the mainland Asia, but Malaysia, the closest Mekong country, and Mali planning claim on the mainland compulsory education in Indonesia. The compulsory Indonesia education consists of 9 years, and all Indonesia citizens must undergo 6 years at the elementary level and 3 years at the secondary level. The Islamic school does come under its management by the Ministry of Religious Affairs. Academic year in Indonesia. The school lasts for 38 weeks on average for the primary and secondary level. The duration of the class for primary level is 30 minutes in grade 1 and grade 2, 30 minutes duration for grade 3 to grade 6, and 45 minutes duration for secondary school. The classroom language of instruction in Indonesia is provided in the National Bahasa Indonesia language. Education system in Indonesia. Primary education. The primary education in Indonesia follows right after the preschool that may start in a year. Most of the elementary schools in Indonesia are government-run and school offer programs that are scolarized and comprise the past 5 years. The Islamic education system also operates in parallel on the system of education. Middle education in Indonesia. The middle education is to work as a break between the middle phase of the elementary education followed by the secondary school, which is more challenging. The system of education also guides the educator to determine a possible future direction for their students. The Islamic middle education system continues to provide alternative secondary education. The secondary education has two diverse kids providing two different streams of education. One is for those who intends to go for further student in university, and the other type is for those who want to find a job right after school. Vocational education. The vocational training for students in Indonesia offered a breadth training college with initiative by the donor countries. Tertiary education. The tertiary education in Indonesia comprises of 4 different schemes on namely academies, polytechnics, universities, and institutes. Some are privately funded, some are state-controlled, and some are affiliated to religious organizations. Structure of education system Indonesia. The education system Indonesia comprises the primary, middle, secondary, vocational, and tertiary education. The compulsory education in for 9 years and everyone must attend 6 years of elementary level and 3 years of secondary education. There are also many Islam schools in Indonesia which don't come understands and are managed maybe initially of religious affairs Indonesia. Now about the structure of education system in Indonesia. Pre-higher education X7 H 50 years. School system structure. One stakes school type elementary length 6 years. X7 even 12 to stack school type junior secondary less 3 years. X30 50 upper secondary education school type senior secondary last year X60 even 80 the certificate or diploma on the successful candidate. Certificate for secondary complete upper secondary school. Vocational secondary school type. The vocational senior secondary education likes 3 years existing happen 80. School education. The Indonesia compulsory education is for 9 years, which includes 6 years of elementary education and 3 years of secondary education. The secondary education is the junior level, also known as SMTP, sekolah menengah tingkat pertama. The senior level, also known as MTA, sekolah menengah atas tingkat atas, and the technical or vocational education. The junior secondary education school comprises of 3 years and also is part of basic school education program having 6 years primary school education. Senior secondary education has 3 years and it is different from of secondary education school that include vocational, Islamic, and general. Further, senior secondary education has 3 sessions, and in secondary school 3rd year, the student get to choose between language, natural science, and social science. They graduate from the senior secondary education school, so-called senior level certificate of sekolah menengah atas, which along with entrance exam is important to obtain for other education. Higher education. Indonesia is home to different types of higher education institutes like universities, public and also private institutes, teacher training Islamic institute, private and public professional and academic university level of education and polytechnics language Indonesia. Different stacks of study. The non-university level, the non-university level education, vocational or high technical education as given by the academy. The article factory academy conferring diploma, the polytechnic that also confer diploma. University level study. The university level study are divided into three tracks. First track, university level sarjana S1. The university level mistake is sarjana strata 1, which waits to student after school's completion of full-time 4 years study at a school, university or institute. The student must score a total 144 credits marks to graduate for subjects like dentistry, medicine, pharmacy, engineering, and veterinary science. Additional to and the 6 semesters earned aided certificate which are awarded to the student bearing the sarjana inscription and then the name of the subject. Second step, university level magister S2. The magister strata 2 is the second stage of university level that awards to all students after completing another 2 years of study and research. Somewhere between 36 to 50, a grade approach takes 1 are essential for a student to graduate in second stage of the university level. Third stage, university level doctor S3. The three stages which allow known as doctor strata 3 compress another 2 5 after the second stage magister.